when you walk in with that nice tall body language, it is going to demonstrate confidence in that you are a contender at this table, that you know your stuff. We're on that track, we're going 180 miles an hour, we're feeling that anxiety. Oh, look at that, we're gonna open up that gate so we can go right through over to this other track of excitement. You feel it in your body, right? How do you want to show up in life in front of others? We won't know what you're confident about, but we will assume you're confident about something.